Good morning. This is Pamela Bluewater for J&S Biblical Productions. Today, we are going to take up Proverb chapter 11, verse 17. Those who are kind benefit themselves, but the cruel bring ruin on themselves. We have invited to the studio to illustrate the proverb a representative of the IMGA, the International Machine Gun Association, and a minister from the Church of the Blessed Samaritan. We are going to discuss how to make the world a better place to live in. Welcome Mr. Jonathan J. Dillingham from the IMGA and Reverend Woody Kinegarten. Good to have you both here.
Thanks. I'll go first.
Okay.
The world would be a safer place if everyone owned the Thompson submachine gun, so that besides protecting ourselves, we could go after undesirables before they fire the first shot. Here's a photo of our honorary founder, General John Thompson from World War I. You see, being able to fire 1445 caliber rounds per second, we could rid the world of undesirables, bad students, teachers, and immigrants before they can even open their mouths.
Mr. Dillingham, how do you tell if a person is an undesirable if they don't have a gun and haven't even spoken?
You can tell by their eyes, and if they have a sneer on their face.
But Mr. Dillingham, that could include most politicians, and the machine gun hadn't been invented in 1791 when the Bill of Rights was written.
That's okay. You see, it was inferred by the, quote, right to bear arms, such as the popular Thompson gun, hand grenades, missile launchers, and mortars. That's what makes an individual or government strong. We can kill our enemies, foreign and domestic, before they can even point a gun at us.
I'm the receptionist here, Janus, and your argument is full of holes, Mr. Dillingham.
Yeah, and you'll be full of holes if you oppose me. I've got every politician in my pocket. We need machine guns in the hands of every man, woman, and child. Then we can riddle holes in the pleas of every pacifist politician who tries to make laws against gun violence. We need more guns to make the world a safer place.
Have you heard of the Proverb 11:17? Maybe you should go to church and talk to your minister about your theory of filling people full of holes.
No, and I don't care about God, the Bible, or your church, whatever you call it. Let me illustrate. The Thompson machine gun, nicknamed the Tommy gun. Very popular with the gangsters of the 20s and 30s. Even Elliot Ness of the famous Untouchables used ones like this.
All right, so Elliot Ness is on your side. Is there anything else we should know about the IMGA?
Yeah, we have a motto. Get down to our level. And here's my secretary, Squeegee.
Get down to our level. For everyone who joins the IMGA, I will give them an autograph. Right on the kitchen. And when they buy the first machine gun, they get to dance with me.
You're ridiculous. Who would sink to your level?
You never know, baby. You don't know what you're missing, prissy.
I think these people should be struck down. They're an insult to everyone decent.
And you say you're from the kingdom of heaven?
Now, don't start something. And you, Reverend Kinegarten, what is the solution to making a world a better place to live in?
We don't have to go beyond the basic commandments from God. Love thy neighbor. And what Proverb 11:17 says, those who are kind benefit themselves, but the cruel bring ruin on themselves. And that can apply to all those who bear rifles and mortars, flamethrowers, slingshots, or tanks for that matter.
Whew, I agree. This concludes the solution to a better world without guns and violence. This is Pamela Bluewater for J&S Biblical Productions saying good morning, and don't shoot your neighbor.
What are your thoughts on today's story? We'd like to know. So, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel, J&S Authentic Biblical Productions. Whether it's the Word of God through parables, true stories illustrating parables, or true stories in the life of Jesus Christ with commentary, you can see them all by subscribing to the most comprehensive collection of videos of biblical stories for you and your family. Have a blessed day.